Hi, it's Mel B, and today I have a beautiful wig for you for summer because it's June, and what we want to do in June is wear a blonde wig. Yep, that's what we're going to do. And today, this beautiful blonde I'm going to show you is an icy blonde. It's from Estetica, and its name is called Avalon, and the color Icy Shadow. And it is beautiful. It is platinum, and it's almost like it has, I don't know, like almost a violet, just the lightest color of platinum and gray and golden roots. It's not really gray because it's really kind of silvery blonde, and it has this rock star looking dark underneath here. I love it. So this is one that you can wear, and it could be that you want to go bohemian looking, maybe in your attire, maybe you're dressed for the office, you're going to go out to dinner after work. This is a great wig for that. I want to show you this. This has a beautiful part line, and what really makes it nice, because I have white hair, so it's important that I put some scar tape underneath there. I just cut off a strip, put it right where the part is. I'll have a link below where you get the scar tape. And that makes that look so much more natural, and I don't have to worry about your hair color looking through at that part. It's just going to look so awesome. It has the open wefting basic. It's got bra strap adjusters. It has ear tabs and a lace front. So let's put on Estetica's Avalon. What did I tell you? Is that great? Va 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 boom. It comes with these curls that are really set in here. You see that? When it comes out of the box, just these really set curls. So what I like to do is take these curls, I'm going to move back a little bit, and just start to separate them. That's it. Pull them apart, and you're going to then see these beautiful fibers that Estetica makes. They're gorgeous. Absolutely. So fine, so realistic, that it really helps it to pull them apart. And that's going to give it a much more natural look. You know, I'm an ear tacker, and I like to put that back behind my ears. You're going to be able to pull this back off your face. See that hairline? Impeccable, absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to pull my ear tabs down just a little. That was tucked underneath there. Okay, so there we go. Got the ear tabs down. Now look. Looks great, doesn't it? Really beautiful. Pull these fibers apart. You're just going to take your time with it. You can also just put a comb, a wide tooth comb. Be sure and use a wide tooth comb. What I really like about this is how you could pull this back and bring more of the brunette, that golden brown colors to the front. But look how you can do kind of a half up and half down. And look at this underneath. See how dark that is? Is that great? That's what I'm talking about, getting that edgy look to it, having that dark underneath there coming out, pulling it up like that. And you could give it a nice clip there. And wouldn't that look fabulous? Do that on both sides. And then you're going to have a really fun rockstar edgy look to it. Well, I like that. That's a lot of fun. There's so many things that you can think about doing with these fabulous wigs because the fibers are so wonderful. When it's a longer hair like this, then you can do your updos. You have a great hairline to pull it back. You can bump this up a bit if you want to set that to be more bumped up. And you can see then it has much more of a glamorous look that way. So what are you going to be today? Are you going to go glamour? Are you going to go rock star, bohemian? It's a new day. Today is a new wig. And you can do anything you want. So I hope you enjoyed this tip of how to separate your curls. Enjoying this blonde. Again, this is Icy Shadow from Estetica, and this beautiful wig is called Avalon. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you in the next video doing my darlings. Bye.